Motherfucker. How are you doing today?
I'm doing quite well. Hello.
With me? Hell yeah! Oh, word up, dog.
Yeah. It's tail fin, man. Oh, shit, dude. What do you want to go do today? Tan a ball sex? Ooh.
Ow! Motherfucker.
Ooh, that was one pissed off kitty cat. Good thing I'm nothing like that. And now her tail's rubbing up in between my crotch. That's kind of weird. How could you not adore that face?
Sleepless nights, painful goodbyes. Who the hell was I kidding? Oh no, such a spin. Oh no, everybody wants again. Can you really make this fucking end? Oh my God, there must be something to take the pain away. So there's nothing you can give me. It's probably better off that way. Just forget all I ever wanted was to forget. Bloodshot eyes and a starless sky. Who the hell are we kidding? Yeah, look, second sense. I guess the first time.
I'm super duper cutty, yeah, the one and only Cuddy. And most they be poppin', but they getting nothing from me. They see me in the